Hello, children. Welcome to www.pynemonk.com. Let's get to know some information regarding kidney and draw the kidney today. So, materials required for that are drawing sheets, black marker, pencil, eraser, and scale. Now, let's start drawing. So, for that, you have to make a box. So, for that, make a box of 7 centimeter each side. Now let's make a line over here for the basic sketch. Let's start drawing kidney. So there are two kidneys in our body, children, and the kidney is in the bean shaped. Let's make kidney in the bean shape. So for that, make a curve from the tip of the box. Now join them. These kidneys are located at either side of our spine and below the ribs and behind our belly. I have done a spiral shape over here. Now I am redrawing another line inside the kidney to show the renal cortex. This thickened part is called renal cortex. Now let's make urinary pipe, that is ureter. So this is the pipe where our urinary waste go out. The function of the kidney is to cleanse the blood of toxins and transform the waste into urine, which means it removes the waste products from the body, removes the drugs from the body, and balances the body fluids. Also, they release hormones that regulate blood pressure. So basically the kidney's function is to purify the blood by removing the waste and unwanted toxins from it. And kidney also produces an active form of vitamin D that promotes strong, healthy bones. They control the production of red blood cells too. So these are the renal veins. Let's make an inverted triangle shape over here, which is called as renal pyramids. Make them connected by drawing a curve over here. Now let's make lines on top of this. So let's make veins over here now. These are the renal vein and renal artery. I am making dots over here. Now let's trace it with the black marker pen. In the meantime, let's get to know some more information regarding our kidneys. So kidneys' major job is to cleanse the blood, as I told you earlier. So each kidney weighs about 160 grams and they get rid of between 1 and 1.5 liters of urine per day. That is from a single kidney. So together, two kidneys filter out 200 liters of fluid every 24 hours to the blood. So this is the reason, children, why our elders tell us to keep drinking water regularly. I hope you get it now. Because water helps the kidneys remove wastes from your blood in the form of urine. If you drink less water, you become dehydrated. Then it is more difficult for this delivery system to work. And also water helps keep your blood vessels open so that blood can travel freely to your kidneys and deliver essential nutrients to them. I believe you children will drink much and much of water from now on. Now it's time to label them. So this is the cortex. And this is the medulla. Children, keep in mind that you have to label them from one direction so that it looks neatly. And this is the renal artery and renal vein. This is the ureter. And these hair-like structure or lines are nephrons. Now let's write the name of this diagram, that is kidney. Hope you had fun drawing this and don't forget to drink water. Thank you.